Side hustles you can start today with zero investment. Make money online 2025. The internet has changed the way we work, but artificial intelligence has completely redefined what is possible. Today, anyone with a laptop and internet connection can create an income stream thanks to AI. The best part, you don't need a big budget, technical skills, or even prior experience. In this video, I will show you 7 AI powered side hustle that can you start right now and with zero investment. These methods are practical, beginner friendly, and they are already being used by people across the world to build full-time business. Let's begin. Side hustle first. AI powered copywriting. Every business needs works that sell, from website content to product description. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, you can create compelling ad copy, email campaign, and blog posts in minutes. Business pay hundreds of dollars for pursue content that drives sales. You can start freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, or even reach out directly to small business. The key here is offering speed and value. AI allow you to deliver professional writing faster than traditional copywriter. For example, a simple product description that takes hours for a writer can be generated in seconds with AI. Scale it up and this side hustle can grow into a digital marketing agency. Side hustle second, faceless YouTube automation. YouTube is one of the most powerful money making platform, and AI makes it easier than ever to succeed without showing your face. Tools like Pictory AI, InVideo and Synthesia allow you to turn script into professional looking videos into voiceover and visuals. Choose a niche like finance, motivation or technology and publish consistent content. With ads, affiliate links and sponsorships, even one successful channel can become a full-time income source. What makes this side hustle powerful is its evergreen nature. A single video can earn views and revenue for years. People are building entire YouTube businesses without touching a camera. Side hustle 3, AI graphic design and digital products. Platforms like Canva AI and MidJourney let anyone create professional design without advanced skills. You can design Instagram template, ebook covers, t-shirt prints and social media graphs. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad and Creative Fabrica. It is a pure digital income. Make the product once and it generates sales again and again. Many sellers are quietly earning thousands each month from simple AI generated planner and templates. The demand for digital design will never slow down because new businesses and influencers are launching every day. Side hustle 4, AI virtual assistant. Remote work is booming and virtual assistants are in high demand. But with AI tools like Notion AI Zapier and ChatGPT, you can become a supercharged VA. Instead of just scheduling tasks, you can offer advanced service, drafting report, managing customer emails, creating representation, and even social media planning. Small businesses love efficiency, and when you combine AI with VA skills, you can become more valuable than traditional assistant. This means you can charge higher rates and attract more clients even with zero prior experience. Side hustle 5, selling AI generated art and stock photos. Creative industries have exploded with AI. Tools like MidJourney and DALI allow anyone to generate stunning images instantly. You can sell these creations as poster, t-shirt design, wallpapers or stock images. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring and Shutterstock make it easy to upload and start earning. For instance, a single AI-generated design uploaded on print-on-demand platform can earn royalty for years. The more design you create, the more chances you have to build the passive income. This side hustle requires creativity, but the entry barrier is almost zero. But just your imagination and prompt. Side hustle 6 AI powered online tutoring and courses. Education is shifting online and AI is reshaping it completely. With ChatGPT, you can create structured lesson plan, practices, question, and even explain complex topic in simple language. Record there is a faceless video lesson using AI generated voiceovers or screen recording. Upload them to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Owen website. Students are willing to pay for high quality, easy to understand courses in subjects like math, finance, coding, and even personal development. Once uploaded, the courses continue to sell for months, creating long-term income. Side hustle 7 AI social media management. Businesses know they need social media, but most don't have the time to post consistently. AI tools like copy.ai, Canva AI, and Buffer make it incredibly easy to generate caption, design visuals, and schedule posts. Offer this is a service manage Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn page for small businesses, even charging $200 per client per month. Just 5 clients would bring in 1000 monthly. And since AI reduces your workload, you can handle more clients with less efforts. This side hustle not only generate income but also build strong business connection. These are the 7 AI powered side hustle that you can start today with zero investment. From writing and design to YouTube and social media, each hustle has the potential to grow into the full-time business. Remember, AI is not replacing people, it is replacing people who refuse to use it. Those who adopt this tool now will always be ahead in new economy. If you want to stay up to date with the best AI, finance and business opportunities, join this community. The future is already here. The only thing left to take action. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.